Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to pair these Realme Buds with your Android smartphone. First, make sure they are charged at least enough so the front indicator turns green, meaning the case and buds are fully charged. Next, remove them from the case and open Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. Enable Bluetooth and wait for the earbuds to appear on the available devices list. After a few seconds they appear, so click on them and tap the pair button. You are now successfully connected. Remember to charge the case and the earbuds inside. Also, remove the foil from the magnetic part if present. When the green indicator is available, you can complete the pairing. That's all. If you found it helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.